What's the meaning of bookmaker? Bookmaker. Bookmaker.
Bookmaker. Bookmaker. A bookmaker is a person or company that accepts and pays out bets on various events, typically sports, with the goal of making a profit by setting odds that attract enough bettors to ensure a profit regardless of the outcome. They calculate the odds of a particular event occurring and adjust them as needed to manage their risk. The bookmaker makes money by collecting a commission, called the vig, on each bet placed. Bookmakers play an important role in sports betting, providing a platform for people to wager on their favorite teams or events.